Hey there everyone, hope you're doing excellent today. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the best Apple Watch bands for your new Apple Watch Series 4. Alright, so this is the Apple Watch that I bought. It's the new Apple Watch Series 4, just recently got it. And I got it with this sport loop that it comes with. It's like a nylon like sport loop band. And it's pretty nice, it's very comfortable. But it's limited to the style preference, and you can't really match too many things up with this color. So I decided I wanted to get some different bands so that I can match it up with different clothing styles that I want to wear each and every day. So I went online and I checked out a couple different bands that they offer for the Apple Watches, and I got a bunch of them. So we're gonna go ahead and review them and take a look at each one. Alright, so check it out. Here is my Apple Watch Series 4. This one is the 44 millimeter model. So this is the band that the watch came with. Like I said, it's very nice and comfortable, but I wanted to be able to select different style of bands throughout the day, because I don't want to have to wear a sport band throughout the entire day while I'm at work or while I'm at different locations. So let's go ahead and take this one out. So this is the sport band that it comes with. Let's put that one there to the side. So here are all the bands that we got. I'm gonna have links down below in the description where you can get these different bands. I'm gonna have a link for each one. So let's go ahead and open them up one by one. So first off, so before we go ahead and begin the video, let's go ahead and give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. We do tech reviews and tutorials in this channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. So also one more thing that's very important is all the bands that you see in this video, they're good for the Apple Watch Series 1 all the way to the Apple Watch Series 4. All you need to do is make sure that you get the right size, either the 38 millimeter one or the 42 millimeter one. The 42 millimeter bands, they fit the 44 millimeter Apple Watches perfectly. And so as you can see, this Apple Watch is the 44 millimeter, the Apple Watch Series 4. So let's go ahead and put that back down. So here's the first band that we got. As you can see, it says 42 millimeter right here. This is just like the Apple previous sport band that they originally came with. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this one out first. As we can see, the 42 millimeter bands fit the 44 millimeter watch perfectly. So let's go ahead and put that on there. Let's go ahead and change the face to this one. I love this Apple Watch face. So nice black, straight black rubber band here. Let's go ahead and remove this one. So let's go ahead and put this one here. And I also wanted a straight black sport band since I do have the black case Apple Watch. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the next one. Okay, so this one right here is like a more luxury type of feel. It's like a leather type of band and it has like a khaki color to it. Very nice. So let's go ahead and place this one on so that we can test it out. So check that one out, see how that looks. And this one actually has a magnetic tip, which all of these, I think from here down, is completely magnetic. So it all just like sticks on there, as you can see. Check it out. Just slaps right on there. So this one's very nice. I like to use this one when I'm wearing like casual clothing. Let's go ahead and check out the next one. So here we have a similar one. This is also a leather like strap, just like this one. It's pretty much the same thing. The only difference is the color. It's the same type of band. Has the magnetic strips here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and place it on the Apple Watch and see how that one looks. So yeah, same thing. This one is just straight black, so very nice here. It's like a leather loop band here for the Apple Watch. This one is also, I would consider it for like maybe going out for more dress-like clothing. So very nice. On to the next one. So here we have one of my favorite ones. This is one that I use more on a daily basis. Again, 42 millimeter. All the bands that I'm going to be showing you here are 42 millimeter because this is a 44 millimeter watch. So they need to be 42. But you can also get all of these in 38 millimeter as well. which should fit the 40 millimeter Apple Watch 4. So this one right here is like the milanese loop. It's a very nice and luxurious band here, very professional looking. And this shiny chrome color gives it a very appealing look. All right, let's go ahead and place it on the watch so you can see. And this one just has the magnetic tip right here. This one is also very comfortable because it feels very light on the wrist. And the magnet tip is right here. So this is one that I use mostly on a day-to-day basis. This is one of my favorite ones. Let's go on to the next one. And then finally, very similar milanese loop type, but this one has a different color. So let's go ahead and open it up so we can check it out. So very similar here to this one, but this one just has a darker, like a bronze look to it. So let's go ahead and place it on the watch to check it out. All right, everyone, so these are all of the loops that I have purchased for my Apple Watch 4. These are very inexpensive. They're about like $10 each. Let's go ahead and take this one out. All right, everyone, so these are all of the loops that I have purchased for my Apple Watch Series 4. I'm going to have links down below in the description where you can get each and every one of these. They're very inexpensive. They're around $10 each, some a little bit more, some a little bit less, but they're all going to be linked in the description. So let me know down below in the comments which one you prefer, which one you like the best, and go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps us out. And that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace.